farther hole. So we can do this.
We're gonna drill it. Take it out and then so we're gonna put that in. And then I'm gonna drill again a bigger hole. Okay. It out with the bigger one. And then do that again. Bigger size.
Okay, now hopefully we're gonna run that wire through.
Okay, so I'm gonna need these. So we're gonna use it. And put it in. And we're gonna make sure it's out here. Guys, we're gonna tape these wire. So what we're gonna do is tape it here on the thing. First we're gonna put some cookies. I can put it in again. So we can tape it. Just like that. And that should be good. Alright. Here's the okay, pull it out.
Can't even rip the tape.
There you go. Okay. So we're gonna pull it out. All you have to do is pull it up here. See. Yes. Here. Pull it. Pull.
Ta-da!
There you go. All right. We did it. See, the wires are over here, guys. Okay, the wires are tangled. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Pull. Ooh, look at that. Just try to straighten it out. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're gonna put that here. More. It's gonna go under here, around it. So we're gonna pull it out. So we're gonna make sure that all the wire are in. So guys, after here, we're gonna connect it over here. We're gonna pull it under here, and just like that, and just tuck in more of this wire under, and pull it again. There you go. See that one? It's over there. Come up here, guys. There you go. So we put it under here, from here, going over there.
Extra long.
So we're gonna connect it into the connector. Okay, we're gonna twist it. Okay. There you go. It's over here and there's wires. We're gonna connect these wires too. Connect it together and twist it. Or pinch the blue line. There you go. Fire just kind of just melt a little bit, not too much, just to heat it up. That way you can.
It shrinks it.
Yeah. Okay. Just do it around. Okay. Then that's it.
That's it. Now.
So we're gonna put the wire. This is the positive wire. You drop it. Put it under. There you go. So it looks like. And then put another one around it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put that thing here. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna get this. Oh, I got it. All right. Just pull more. Okay. We're gonna cut the positive wire. There you go. That is fast. And we're gonna connect it with this one. With the connector. It's gonna be look like this. So that's what we're gonna do with the other one. Just take a piece of rubber out so you can see the wire. The what you call this? It's not coming off, so you gotta use the knife. Just pull it. There you go. And then you see the wire. Twist it. After twisting it, you're gonna just cut a piece and connect the red connector. And twist it on the edge. As hard as you can, that way it's tight. Just like that.
And yes, we know these aren't the right tools. Okay.
Now we're gonna connect it with that wire. With the speaker wire. Twist it again, the edge of it. And cut. And put it in. And twist the edge on the other side of the connector. There you go. Alright. It's done, and now we're gonna
Heat shrink it.
heat shrink the wire connector. Okay. It's not burnt, guys. That's just...
It's burnt.
So we're gonna tape these together.
We don't really need this, but we're gonna just double, just to be safe, and it stays together.
Yeah. What kind of tape is this?
Just black electrical tape. Just
This is
mainly
electrical tape.
just to help hold our wires so they don't jiggle loose over time.
Yeah.
Helps us stay together. Should be okay, but I like to be extra careful.
Okay, there you go. That's one, and then we're gonna do this one. No. And do that also, just wrap it up. The same process as the blue one here. I mean the yellow, the negative wire. The red one is the
actually
positive.
positive.
Is this positive too?
Yes, this is your constant positive wire.
Yeah.
It comes off the battery,
Yeah.
and the red one comes off your fuse, your starter fuse. So,
Oh, okay.
so you have this one will make your clock stay on all the time. This one will just make sure the whole stereo shuts off and it don't drain your battery.
Okay. So there you go. Still got a lot here to do, guys, with the wire.
Next, we got to do the ground wire. We just got to find a place to. We got to find somewhere to do it now.
Okay, do it. That's why I said, let me do
Grab
it.
this side or hold that. Yeah.
There you go. See that? There you go. Okay, you got it. Yeah. See that? Putting in there, guys. We're just gonna use this wire instead of the black wire. They're wire,
Reach in there.
so there you go, guys. I got it. I got it.
One more.
This is the third one.
Okay. Stop.
Stop. Okay. That's the third wire, guys.
Buy some apples.
We cut that again. So this is the ground wire, guys, that we're gonna connect.
We should have used black, but we didn't, so we're just gonna to make it different from our other one.
So we improvised because we don't have the black wire. Instead, we had the yellow one, and so we're just gonna tape it out.
Just gonna mark it in a few places that this is our ground wire.
So this is the ground wire. This is the
Hot wire off the
the hot
battery.
wire for the battery, and this is the fuse, the positive one for the fuse.
Yeah, that's what starts.
So we're just marking it. That's the ground wire.
If I ever go across a black wire, I'll replace it down the road.
We're gonna cut the edge again, the rubber out, so the wire will show. Because we're gonna twist it. Cut the edge, see that? So you do it, and then you're gonna connect it to the other wire.
Did I say anything bad?
So we're gonna put the splice connector now, and then pinch it again as hard as you can. That way it's, you know, not gonna come off. Okay. And now what we're gonna do is this, yes, wire, the negative wire. Twist it, the edge, and take a small piece out, cut it. There you go. Twist it again and connect it. That's how we did it. He did it. Not me. So pinch again and just like that. It's done. Okay, now we're gonna kind of just heat it up to shrink it. Just like that. Okay, make sure you don't burn it, because then you have to redo it. Just the right amount of heat. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna connect it now. Like that. There you go. So that's how it looks like. We're gonna try this tape and see if it works. We're gonna start the car. Not really, just turn it on basically. So
Hey!
oh my god, that's awesome! So it's working, it's on. So what we're gonna do, we put a CD already. We're gonna hook these up. One each.
It's all together.